LaserMaker is layout and control software for laser cutters. It is designed based on time savings, runs on Windows and macOS. LaserMaker helps you save a lot of time. LaserMaker equals design software plus laser control software. No need to spend a lot of time learning to use other software. Let's do some layout work together. Let's start by drawing a clock with the toolbox first. No need to draw step by step. You can generate a beautiful box with one click. Decorate our lovely work with patterns from gallery. You are free to design as you like. The tool will do the layout for you automatically. Don't forget to add some tabs so that small parts don't get blown away, but it's a bit of a waste of time. Leave it to the Auto tool. Our team of craft engineers have already tested the processing parameters of a large number of materials. You don't need to spend time testing one by one. You just need to choose the material, thickness, and processing mode in 3 steps. LaserMaker allows you to observe the virtual processing and to estimate the time and even costs. If you want to get started with LaserMaker quickly, go to the homepage, Guide to Learning. Don't worry, you can always contact the technical support team if you encounter any problems while using LaserMaker. LaserMaker in your classroom. A large number of teaching resources based on LaserMaker to make your classroom more lively and interesting. You can centralize all your students' works through the job management system to keep your classroom in order.